Wow, Rui, Yash, we are in Dada's closet. Rui, you like Dada's clothes?
No.
You don't like Dada's clothes? Yash, what should Dada wear then?
Same cloth.
Huh?
Simple cloth. Simple cloth.
Simple clothes Dada should wear. Wow, Yash, you like Dada's shoes?
No.
Oh, why? Why don't you like them?
That is Yuri.
They're Rui's shoes.
This is not my shoe. This is your shoe.
Yes, this is my shoe, but he thinks they are your shoes. Okay. All right.
Yum.
Okay. Hello, what is this, Rui? This is not a girl's. This is not girls' clothes. This is Dada wore for Fitfare Awards. And what is this? What is this? Why are you laughing at Dada's clothes? Oh God. Okay. Okay. I suppose I have to reassess my fashion choices. Rui, anything you'd like to say?
No.
Okay. Toodles. Where wardrobe diaries continue. Oh my God. What do we have here? Ruhi, what are you feeling?
No, my Gucci.
Oh God. But why?
It's so shiny.
It's so shiny. Yash, what do you think? Again? You're really laughing at Dada. I'm very upset. I'm sulking. Toodles.
Children.
Yash, what is this?
Jacket.
It's a jacket. Do you like this jacket? Wow, this is a Versace jacket. It looks like a little bit of a blanket here, but it is a jacket. Are you enjoying this jacket at all?
Yes.
Okay, lovely. Contrary to what you've been saying about my other clothes, I'm glad you're enjoying this. Ruhi, what?
I'm on the wall.
Are you fed up of Dada's closet?
No.
Then why do you want to go outside? Again, there's no need to laugh. Hello. Okay, we get the point. You find this closet funny.
Thank you.
Oh my God, they're adjusting each other's hair. All right. Okay. All right. This was just a general hello. Say everybody, say go Corona. Lovely. Oh God, what is this?
Holy time.
Holy time? This is not holy, darling. This is tie-dye.
It's tie-dye and holy.
And holy. Okay, well, that's also a way of looking at it. Toodles. Okay, bye.
Bye. Boring.
Okay. Yash, what were you saying? What were you saying just now?
Very boring.
Who's very boring?
Dada.
I'm very boring. But why have you said I'm boring?
Because Corona is coming.
Because Corona is coming, so I am boring. Yash, what are you doing? You've gone into this bag. Why have you gone into this bag? Because what?
Because Shah Rukh Khan is here.
Because Shah Rukh Khan is here, you've gone into this bag. Okay, that's lovely. And Ruhi, what are you doing?
He's playing guitar.
Wow, can you play us something?
Yeah.
Okay, play.
Oh my dad has a song.
Wow, you're a real musician. My God. My God. And meanwhile, where have we gone? Again, we have gone inside. Why have we gone inside? Hello? Excuse me, why have we gone inside? Huh?
And you find me.
I'll find you? Okay, close the door. Ha! I found you. Okay, bye. Toodles. Wow, we're having our lunch. Wow, Ruhi, what you eating?
You want tummy.
I have a tummy. So what are you saying? That I should not be eating? I should not eat because I have a tummy? That's very mean. Why are you saying such mean things to your Dada? Huh? You're even imitating that Dada has a tummy. You're finding this very funny, I must say, Ruhi. I'm very upset. Say Toodles.
Toodles.
Say Toodles.
No, I didn't say.
Oh, you didn't say? Okay, then say whatever you want. Say bye.
Look at tummy.
Huh? Oh my God. I'm going to go to the gym. Bye. Excuse me, what are y'all looking like? What is this?
Stupid.
You're you are saying it's stupid? You think Dada looks stupid in these glasses?
I'm stupid.
You are not stupid. I think Dada is stupid to have bought these glasses. Okay, toodles.
Stupid.
Bye.
I love you.
Who is making noise?
You.
I am making noise. But I was singing a song. Should I not sing a song?
No.
Why?
I don't like it.
You don't like my song? Mama, even you don't like my song?
No, I don't like it at all.
Okay, can I try singing one more song? Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Okay, I'm singing one song. Channa mere ya, channa mere ya, channa mere ya, Beli.
No. Nada, no.
But I really like singing, so what do I do about it? Okay. Mama, do you have a suggestion of what I should do about my singing? Mama?
I think it's something that is given at birth.
No.
That I don't have it, you think? The ability to sing.
Because even your father didn't have it, but you were still better than your father.
Okay, bye. What you're eating, Yash? Everyone's complaining you're only eating save.
Potato chips.
You're eating potato chips. Acha, okay. And what are you eating? Huh?
Spicy one and potato chips.
Potato chips.
And spicy
And
sauce.
what are you eating? I hope you're not eating any potato chips.
No, I might look like one, but I'm having a salami sandwich.
Alright, okay. That's very elegant of you. And what are you going to eat for dinner today? Huh?
Chicken.
Chicken you're going to eat, huh? And you?
Roti.
You're going to eat? Broccoli you're going to eat? Wow, wow, wow. Mera healthy bacha broccoli khayega. And what do you think Dada should eat for dinner?
French fries.
I should eat French fries? That's the last thing I should be eating. Say no to carbohydrates for me, but it's absolutely okay for you. Say toodles. Toodles. Wow, we're dancing. Yeah, yeah. Even Dada's dancing.
You are not dancing. You are very kadab in dancing.
You're very kharab. I'm kharab in dancing. Yash, I'm kharab in dancing.
No, yes.
I'm also, I'm really fed up. I'm kharab in dancing. I'm kharab in singing. What am I good for, Rui? What am I good for?
Yes.
I'm good for Yash. I produced Yash. That's my big talent. And Yash, what do you think is my strength? Say something nice about Dada. Clearly, he has nothing nice to say. Okay, bye-bye.
My boss.
That's all he has to say to me.
Dude
Yeah.
is in the garden.
Rui is wearing a garden.
You're not saying so.
Rui, are you wearing a garden in your hair?
No, it's hairband.
It's a hairband, but Yash is calling it a garden. Meanwhile, we don't know what your mama is wearing. Mama, can you explain this particular piece of jewelry that is looking rather... I don't want to use the word. What do you have to say about it in your
You can
defense?
say what you want, and there's nothing in my defense.
Nothing. Are you being very belligerent about my thoughts about your hairband and your hairpiece?
I think it's very nice.
Yash, you think what mama's wearing is nice?
Say-
No, na?
say
Even
yes.
I don't think so.
Baba, say yes.
Okay, here now. Rui, you like what mama's wearing?
Yeah.
You like what mama's wearing? Well, obviously, because look at what you're wearing. This and the dhokla, it's looking rather in contrast. Excuse me, where are you going, Yash? Where are you going, Rui?
I'm fed up.
You're fed up? And Yash, are you also fed up?
No, I cry.
You're also fed up. So you all are leaving? Are you all leaving the house and running away?
Yeah.
Oh God, we'll miss you. Bye.
Bye.
Toodles.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. I don't know where they are going, but they are going. Bye. Bye. Lovely. Excuse me, what is this you all are holding? Whose kurta? This is not Mama's kurta. This is Dada's kurta. This Dada's friend Manish Malhotra has made for me. You think this is Mama's kurta? No, don't say that to Dada, please. Bye. This is a man's kurta. See, man. Man's kurta, not Mama's kurta. Bye. Bye. Okay, whatever. Such a bye she's given me, like, get out of my face. Wow, we're eating burgers today, Ruhi. Yash, even Dada wants to eat.
No, you will get fat.
I'll become fat if I have a burger. Mama, are you saying the same thing to Mama as well? Mama also. Mama, I think he's telling us not to eat these burgers because he says we'll become fat.
Who will become fat, Baba?
Dada.
Dada will become fat. No, Mama's fat.
No, Mama's healthy and Dada is also healthy. Ruhi, what do you think of Dada?
Nothing.
Huh? What?
Nothing.
Nothing you think of Dada?
Mama,
Oh God. Okay, I better go back to my low morale self. We have two very talented musicians in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Yash and Ruhi. Here goes. Excuse me. 1 minute. Time out. Do you have something more melodious you can sing? रुकावट के लिए खेद है, but this is not good for anyone's sensibilities. Toodles! Alright, we're going to play a game. Ruhi, if you are an animal, what animal would you be?
Peppa.
Peppa Pig. Yash, if you were an animal, what would you be?
Peppa.
You would be what?
Peppa.
You would be Peppa Park? Okay. And if Dada was an animal, he would be?
Yeah, elephant.
What?
Elephant.
Thanks so much. Thank you. You made me an elephant. Oh,
Hello, elephant.
I'm crying now. Bye. Toodles. God. Come on, let's get out of here. Come on.
Hey, your hair is white. You're like a Buddha.
What? My hair has become white and I'm looking like a Buddha, but what do? I can't color my hair. It's lockdown time. Yash, I'm looking like a Buddha.
Yes. You can't go over because coronavirus.
Yes, I can't go because of coronavirus. Thank you so much for informing me. I'm very well aware. Excuse me, Yash. I am leaving this closet and I suggest you do the same. Where are you taking this?
London.
To London? Okay, well, lucky you because there's no flights going there. Bye, Yash. Thank you. See you. Heathrow welcomes you with open arms. Yes. What are you doing? Wow, this is a tub. It is what? Useless? This tub is it is rather useless, I have to say, because I have not used it ever. Would you like to? Yeah, Ruhi, Yash, what are you doing?
I'm watching Dada.
You're washing Dada? Okay, bye. Yash, yes, hello. What are you looking for?
Washing machine.
Who, what?
Washing machine.
Washing machine? Where is it? Washing machine is not here. Where? What is?
Look.
This is not a washing machine. This is a tijori. Why did you think this was a washing machine?
What you do with it?
What do I do with this? Currently, absolutely nothing given the current economic situation of all our lives.
Okay.
I wish this was a washing machine. It would be so much more useful. Okay. Okay, chalo, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Ruhi beta, you don't have to resort. This is a beautiful thing, the caravan, but don't worry about it. I'll sing for you. Dada will sing for you.
No.
Chaudhvi ka...
It's in my eye.
Huh?
It's in my head.
My singing is giving you a headache. It's giving you a headache, Yash? Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll try one more song. Oh, gum hai kisi ke pyar.
My head. My head.
Okay, sorry. Wow! Wow! Wow, what dancers! Wow! India's got talent.
Dada, I'm putting my...
Wow! Wow, Rui! Wow! Yeah! Wow! What a classical performance we are giving. Yeah, yeah. Oh, now it's gone into Pilates. I love this versatile performance. Yes. Yash, meanwhile, what are you doing? What are you doing getting ready for some performance? Oh, you're also ready. Come on. What's the next track?
We are going everywhere.
Yash, Rui, you can't perform without any music.
Do you want this?
Perhaps you can. Okay, that's it from the dancers. Toodles.
I can't take this one. No.
Excuse me, why are you all inside the shower?
I want to see the shower.
You want to see the shower? And Rui, what do you want to do?
You're very ready.
Hey, Yash, what are you doing?
I'm watching.
You're what?
I'm watching you.
You're washing?
Me. I'm watching you.
Why you want to wash me? Why?